Good afternoon to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlowo Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the economic developer, one of the many voices of TVC around the globe. Guys, you are welcome once again to a wonderful and a beautiful Monday. Today being our meeting days, the day we'll be having a mass adoption training with the admin of TVC. Today is another wonderful day, a special day. Guys, guess what? You need to join us tonight in the mass adoption training. Do you know why? And watch how admin will pay out $4,000 live at the mass adoption training coming up this evening. Guys, indeed, it is great. We say a wonderful congratulations to Henry Sem- Sembajo. Sorry for for the pronunciation. Kabwama from Uganda, who has 182 paid referrals in cryptos. Wow. Congratulations to you. And also Oba Jemli Ball from United Arab Emirates with 150 referrals paid what in crypto. Guys, indeed. And the third person is Sodezo Kofi from Togo with 104 paid referrals. And the last person is probably from Bangladesh, Mohammed Jonal Abedin with 100 pay referrals. Guys, this is wonderful. We say congratulations to you guys. Keep the good work going. Guys, don't forget that is the February KLUV context. Very simple. The higher number you have of paid referral within the month, you will be getting $1,000. Wow. We thank the admin for this wonderful promo. And don't forget there are other incentives to also for the second position, the third, the fourth, fifth to the last, which is the 10th position. So guys, let's keep on working harder. We thank God for this wonderful and healthy competition within the community. So guys, don't forget this competition continues. We should not relent. Let's bring in as many possible, as many members as possible. Let us key into this golden opportunity. Don't forget, TBC is our birthright. So, guys, this is a wonderful and from what the admiral said, congratulations to Henry Seboaji, Kabwa, Oba Jemli, Bor, so there's Kofi, and Mohammed Joinal Abedin for each having 100 or more paid personal referrals, which guarantee each of you a $1,000. Wow. It's important that each of you attend the mass adoption training tonight so that I can pay each of you live during the training. I will pay each of you in BNB, that's Binance coins on the smart chain, sometimes referred to as BSC. If you don't attend tonight, we will try again on Wednesday mass adoption training. Your your bright example are leading by TBC community. We say congratulations to you guys. So guys, I wish every one of us a good job as we continue in our work and our prospecting of this guy. Guys, guess what? It is wonderful, it is great. So do all within your best to ensure that everything you are doing is towards the success and the promotion of TBC. So guys, looking forward to see you by 4 p.m. West African time at the mass adoption training. And don't forget, don't relent. TBC is our birthright. Thank you. See you guys. Bless you all.